Hello traders, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today is another beautiful day to trade. We will be looking to place one live trade with our strategy, and as usual I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can learn and apply the same when you trade. So if you are here for the first time and these are the kind of content you do well to smash the like button so that this video can also be recommended to people like you who are also beginners and struggling traders. If you are here for the first time, you are also going to need to subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss out in our next live trading section. So also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out as well. So that being said, guys, let us start. Now the first thing is we are going to try to analyze the chart. You can see this is the euro JPY currency pair, and this is the 1 minute candle time frame you can see, and this is we are going to place our trade for 5 minutes. I think we should have already placed the trade, and I will explain why I have placed this trade. Don't worry about that. Now this is a very strong uptrend situation you can see, and the market needs to retrace and run. So this was a very healthy retracement that came and it ended around this level. I will make this white so it can be visible. So this is a previous higher low swing, and the market retraces back to this level and get weak. Though it didn't meet this level exactly, the buyer stepped in, pushed this level, pushed the market up to this level, and you can see that all of this is still the run phase because you can see that the retracement phase is over. Now the market doesn't just run straight in a straight line, it needs to go and come and go and come. So you can see that after this previous run, it also needs to rest for some time, then continue. You can see, so when the rest phase are coming, they will always rest upon previous structures in the market. So you can see that I will try to make it clear. You can see this is a previous support, a previous resistance zone. You can see all of this. If you are going to include both the weaknesses, the wicks of the candles, I will have to double this line so that I can make this clear. You can see that this is the previous resistance zone, and the market has come and has now rested upon this level. The reason why I have placed my trade after this candle is because of the weaknesses that are present here. And if you have been following me on this channel, you will see that I always made mention of these weaknesses. The reason is this: when weaknesses are happening in any market, it is signaling a strong fight between the buyers and the sellers, and it's usually going to happen at a very important level of the market. It's either it is happening in a resistance level or it is happening in a support level. So you can see that when it is happening in certain levels in the market, you are going to try to see who is more likely to win that type of to win the war in that position. So if the market is in an uptrend, you can see that, or we can say that it is if the market is in an uptrend and the market has reversed back and it is in a previous support and resistance, we can say that since this is an uptrend, we can believe that it is the buyers who are going to win the fight because the market is in their favor. If the market is also in a downtrend, we can also see that it is the sellers that will probably win because it is their market. So you can see that this is a very important level. We have the weaknesses, we have this. We can also trust it that since we have these weaknesses and it's a very important level, we can trust that these buyers they are going to win the fight here. So that was why I've placed this trade. So we'll wait to see if we have just less than a minute, less than 2 minutes to wait for this trade. And at the end of this trade, I'm also going to explain more about this trade setup so that you can also learn, practice and apply when you trade. So hopefully we win this trade, and I'll see you again soon. So guys, we have won this trade in a very good manner. So let's explain again why I have placed this trade. So you can see that this is an uptrend, so I will take this off. This is a very strong uptrend situation, though it doesn't look like a very smooth one, because if we try to connect these levels, we can see that they will not connect. But we can trust it that since the market has now created a new high, it is a market that is that the buyers are strongly in charge. So now we are going to go by price structure. How does the market move? Prices changes like from one point to another, but how does it actually move? Does it move in a straight line? Does it go, you know, it doesn't move in a straight line. I always say this, it doesn't move even when we say that the market moves in three different directions, like an uptrend. It moves up, it moves down, and at times it moves straight. It doesn't really move straight like that. It still bounces around. So this was an uptrend, smooth one, and this was a previous high. The market retraces back. I mean, it didn't rest this level, it has to rest upon this level and bounce back. And you can see that after the retracement, this was another strong run, and the market will not just continue to run like this, though it will happen sometime, but not all the time. And then after this, you see it reverses back again to take some rest before it moves again. So you can see that when that will happen, it will always rest upon previous levels of the market. So when the market runs and retraces, it hits previous levels, bounce back, breaks new level, hits previous levels, bounce back, hits new level, just like that. That's how the market moves. So by price structure, you can say that the market is going to at least come back and rest upon a previous structure of the market, which in this situation is this previous resistance level, which has worked previously in a very long time. So we can trust it. So it came, it rest, and you see all the weaknesses were also present around this level. And then this was a strong entry from the buyers, which has now signaled out that the market wants to at least go with the buyers for the next 5 minutes. And you can see that I can trust that the market will go with the buyers for at least 5 minutes, because we have all those weaknesses, which has now signaled out a lot of battle between the buyers and the sellers. And then finally the buyers has won with a strong entry from this candle. This is a Maribozu candle, breaking above this previous battle that has gone on here, and we have placed this trade and we ended up winning this trade. So this is all about this trade session, and I hope you have also learned something and you can also practice it and apply the same when you trade. So if you find any value in this video, you are also going to do me a favor by smashing the like button, so that this video can also be recommended to as much people as possible, people who are also beginners and struggling traders like you, who may be looking to see videos like this. We always trade live all the time on this channel, at least once or twice a week. So you should do well to subscribe to the channel to be a part of this channel, because I'm gonna show you that you are not going to regret that. So also, you will do me a favor, you will smash that like button, or that subscribe button rather, so that you do not miss out in our future content. So if you're a new trader, you're a beginner trader, and you're looking for ways to learn how to trade proper price action, you need to log in with this channel, because this is all we do. We don't do indicator charts, we don't do indicator trading here, we don't use robots. We don't believe in that. We believe in learning to trade proper price action, because that is the only way you can trade the financial market profitably. Indicators don't work, they always lag behind, they don't work. I mean, if indicators work, these platforms will not have them on their platform. I'm saying these brokers will not have them on their platform if they truly work, because these brokers, they make money when you lose money. So why would they put something that will make you win? I mean, it doesn't make sense, right? So these indicators don't work. So you have to reduce the type of energy that you have given to these indicators. Learn how to trade proper price action, and I can assure you that you are going to enjoy it in the next years to come. So on this note, I'm going to leave you with this one, and I will see you again soon. But till then, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.